આ બેબીને મેરેજ કરી દીધો.
Oh wow, that's great. Congratulations. Yeah. બંને અભ્યાસ કરે છે અને હું MS બાજુ પણ અમારા બંને મિત્રો થાય.
So will you help me with something? If I can ask him some questions,
Okay.
and then you can help me to
You may translate.
Yeah,
Yes,
sure,
sure,
sure, sure.
કેમ છો સર? વેરી ગુડ મોર્નિંગ. જય સ્વામિનારાયણ. કેવી છે તબિયત તમારી?
બસ આપની દયા છે સર.
અરે આપણે મારા બે મિત્રો આવ્યા હતા ને
હાજી સર.
પેલા શુક્રવારે સવારે
હાજી સર.
તે બે મિત્રો ખાસ આવી ગયા છે અત્યારે.
Thank you, sir.
આફ્રિકાના આપણા બંને આપણા બર્ટીનભાઈ છે. બર્ટીનભાઈ અને વોટ્સ યોર નેમ બડી?
Franklin.
સોરી
Franklin.
Franklin.
Yeah.
Oh, that's great man.
હા.
I would like to love Frank. આ તો આપણા ફ્રેન્કલિનભાઈ અને બર્ટીનભાઈ આવી ગયા છે. તો એ તમને થોડા બે ત્રણ પ્રશ્નો પૂછવા માંગે છે. કેમ કે આ કેવું છે એ અહીંયા છે ને સ્ટુડન્ટ છે, વિદ્યાર્થી છે. કેવું બધાને હેલ્પ કરવાની હોય, મદદ કરવાની હોય. તો તમને થોડા પ્રશ્નો પૂછશે, તમે એના જવાબ આપી શકશો? એટલે તમે એ પૂછશે, તમે બોલજો એટલે હું બોલીશ ગુજરાતીમાં, બરાબર?
Can you help me to ask him since when have he been working?
ઓકે અંકલ એ પૂછે છે, he is saying that he has been working over here, right?
Yeah.
From last 28 years.
What?
From 1992,
Yeah.
he's standing over here.
Uh,
He's doing this kind of job, this kind of work.
Wow.
He don't have his eye.
Wow.
Then also, he's completely, passionately, and honestly, he's performing this job from last 28 years. That's true.
Another question, can you ask him why doesn't he live to work like others? Because many blind people or many people have disabilities, they don't work. Why does he force himself to work? Because he doesn't have all the abilities to work. So why does he force himself to work?
Most important question. Sir, આપણે હું એ પૂછવા માંગુ છું. He is saying that he have more than 7 to 8 family members. You know,
Yeah.
he do have 2 sons, 4 daughters.
Okay.
4 daughters, they
Yeah.
all are married.
Yeah.
All 4 daughters are married.
Yeah.
2 sons are still studying.
Okay.
Right? તમારા બંને વિદ્યાર્થી અત્યારે ભણે છે ને?
ચાર બે બેબીઓ ને એક બાબો ભણે છે.
હા.
और एक बाबा 10માં નાપાસ થયો સાહેબ, તો એને કાઢી નાખ્યો મેં.
One of
એને
his
ગેરેજમાં અત્યારે હાલમાં નાખી દીધું.
he was in 12th, 10th,
Okay.
but he is not able to fulfill or pass or
Oh.
clear the result, clear the exam and all that.
Yeah.
So he just took him, right, from school and all that.
Yeah.
Just because he is not able to go
Sure,
further
sure.
to move on.
I understand.
So that's the reason. But he do have 8 to 9 family members, including his wife,
Yes.
his son, 2 sons, and 4 daughters.
So-
and he's saying that just because of COVID-19,
Yeah.
from last 6 months, he is not able to fulfill the requirements.
Sure.
Otherwise, he's enough mature and easily able
Okay.
to fulfill his basic needs,
Okay.
like food, shelter, clothes.
Yeah.
That kind of blessings from God,
Sure,
right?
sure.
That in running days, just because of rush and
Yes,
customers,
yes.
he's able to fulfill the basic needs.
All
but just
right.
because of this critical situation and
Sure,
these
sure.
difficult times,
Oh.
he's not able to fulfill his basic needs and
Oh.
his family's basic needs
All right.
just from last 6 months. That's
Oh,
nothing.
sure,
And
sure.
yes, he said that he loved to work here
Okay.
publicly.
Yes.
He loved to work from last 28 months. That's the reason he's not going to open any kind of sub branch.
Yeah.
He's not able to transfer,
Sure,
to
sure.
move, to take internal movement from Sayajiganj to Fatehganj,
Yeah.
to Fatehganj to Alkapuri or any other area or any other street.
Yeah.
Because station is nearby.
Yeah.
One of the most
Visited
travelers-
place.
Exactly, visitors destination.
Yeah.
Bus terminal
Yes,
is
sure.
just around 5 to 10 minutes, isn't it? So it's really one of the easiest way and one of the master key
Yeah,
to earn
sure.
and more profit.
Exactly.
Right? So that's the reason he's standing over here from last 28 years, just because of his passion,
So-
his honesty, his dedication, his contribution towards this kind of things.
Sure.
And all.
Can you ask him if he is not afraid of working alone? Because even my first time when I saw him, he was working alone. So can you ask him if he's not afraid of working alone as a blind? Is he not afraid of working alone here all these years?
Because some of the human beings are that much.
Yeah, there are people who have bad intentions. They can steal and other things. So is he not afraid of?
કેમ છો સર? આપણે છેલ્લો પ્રશ્ન એ પૂછવા માંગુ છું કે આપણો મિથ સર કસ્ટમર
એ રિક્ષા ચલાવે
કસ્ટમર
હા બોલો એક મોટો બોલો હા જી સર
he is going to say and he is sharing this kind of things that he never think like that.
Okay.
He never been afraid in his
Yeah.
life. He told me right that just because of his responsibilities,
Yeah.
his roles,
Yeah.
and his dedication and contribution in
Yeah.
his family is on apex.
Sure. So he's not afraid because
Yes.
he knows the
Nobody in his
responsibility.
family except this young and wonderful gentleman
Yeah,
who
sure.
is able to earn and to fulfill the requirements
Sure.
to earn at least single amount of money. So that's the reason I'm speechless truly.
I understand, I understand,
Because he's
Brad.
going to share this kind of tremendous things,
Yeah,
which is truly inspirational,
sure.
civilizational, generational, and for youngsters like you, me, and if we don't have, we never seen our future. Future is uncertain,
Yeah.
right? But never been afraid of
Sure.
future,
Exactly.
and just move on, just work on, just go on,
Yeah.
just carry on in any situation, whether it's rare, whether it's critical,
Yeah.
or whether it's on top.
Yes.
But this young gentleman
Exactly.
is one of the best examples
Exactly,
to
sure.
you to be.
Sure.
That's the reason. Because in his family, with the help of 8 members, just because of
Yeah.
So he's the only one taking care of all his children.
absolutely no,
Even the eldest children, they don't work.
they are not going to work.
Okay,
Because they are uneducated, they are dull, they are
Sure,
weak.
sure. So it was a very good discussion. Like, I don't have so many questions to ask since I've seen the way he works and everything. It shows that he's really passionate. He's not afraid. He's courageous in what he's doing, and that was the only thing which motivated me from coming here. And like, even like my goal of making this video, like I couldn't have taken a video of him because like it's not just proper. But the thing which made me make this video is just trying to show other people who I'm going to make this video for, to understand that there is someone who works despite all the problem which he has. He works. For us, like young of nowadays, we have everything. We have legs, we have eyes, we have hands. But sometimes we push ourselves into doing things which are even illegal just to get money. And there are people who have less privileges than us, but they work hard to feed families. That was the only thing which motivated me.